Into the second hour of the show. My name is Michael Gitonga.
And my name is Michelle Ngele. Just a quick reminder of our question of the day this morning. We're asking you, do you believe Parliament will alleviate the rising cost of living? This, of course, is on the backdrop of the fact that Parliament will reconvene today. Top of the agenda is the rising cost of living and, of course, the gender bill. But we'll be delving a bit deeper into the rising cost of living, just comparing prices between 2013 and over the past 4 years, and how that inflation is working out, and also what options the country has in terms of ensuring food security.
Yes, so we'll be giving you comparisons. If you bought, say, for instance, cabbage at this time last year, how much did it cost and how much does it cost today? Just to give you a good inclination of how much prices have gone up, and we'll be doing that as we go along. Also, in our Dawn debate, we'll be looking at what options do we have as a country when we talk about food supply and hopefully averting some